Everyone, Meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's get you through the next couple of hours because we do have an expanded tornado watch for us here in New Jersey. When I spoke with you a couple of hours ago, Ocean County was not in this watch, and now they are, and now most of New Jersey is as well. The watch means we need to be prepared. Conditions are favorable for the storm, but they're not happening just yet. If that was to happen, then we get into a warning, and that's when you got to take action. We're going to show you where you want to be as you go into the evening if you do get into a tornado warning. And in a tornado emergency, this is a strong tornado moving through a highly populated area. Think about moving along the Parkway corridor and a strong EF3 tornado. I don't think we're going to see that. We look at our radar over the past couple of hours here, and we see a lot of these circles popping up. Those are storm damage reports. Now, where you're seeing the blue little ice chunks, that is hail. And then where you're seeing the other blue circle, as well as it looks like a lighter blue circle, it's really a house with a tree blowing away, that is wind damage or at least severe winds, and they are knocking on our doorstep. We do have a good amount of unstable air to work with here. The sun came out this afternoon. It's been muggy out. And we have that, again, unstable air in New Jersey. Granted, it could be higher. You see those reds out to the west of us. That's still where the worst severe weather has and will be. But we still have a risk for, again, severe weather here, whether it's damaging winds or even a tornado. Again, that's why we're in this tornado watch through 11 o'clock here. And we look at our tornado risk. This is our significant tornado parameter. You see some of those grays there. That means that risk for tornadoes is present, mainly away from the Jersey Shore. So here's a look at our future cast. This is 7 o'clock. Now this is 8 o'clock. And you see that line really getting going here into our area. Now, one bit of good news. It does look like this bowing area of storm. So it's a storm that kind of looks like a bow. It kind of comes in this way and goes out that way. Stays to our north here. But still, we are likely going to see at least an hour to an hour and a half worth of rain that will bring the potential for damaging winds and even a tornado here through about 11 o'clock, and then it rolls offshore. Then we're just mostly cloudy and foggy as we go into the rest of our Monday night. Here's a look at our tornado risk. I like where this is. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. 5% for places like Vineland, Shiloh, and Fortescue. 2% for the rest of us. I know that sounds low, but think about it. Most days, our tornado risk is 0. So 2% means something, and 5% really means something. And then what I think is even more important is our wind risk, our severe wind risk, because you see those pink areas, that's Shiloh, Western Cumberland County. The last time we had that was 10 years ago here in 2013. And even further east, I know it's a lower risk, but still something to be aware of. But the last time we had a 45% wind risk, well, we had a derecho just get into parts of South Jersey, pretty much south of Route 40 here. Could we see a derecho tonight? We'll see what happens when all is said and done. The point is, the threat for wind damage and tornadoes will be there. Then as we look ahead real quick, we'll get into Tuesday here. We're going to see morning sunshine mixed with afternoon clouds. I wouldn't rule out a shower. I think most of us are going to be dry, if not all of us. And then Wednesday, I believe we'll see isolated showers for up to a 30-minute period as we go into the afternoon here. So here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. We do have rain in the forecast Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday and Wednesday, much, much more dry than not, if not completely dry. Thursday will be a line of storms that should get most of us here. Friday, a very comfortable day. And then we go to next weekend, showers and storms in the forecast. It's going to be warmer. It's going to be muggy. We could be talking about severe weather again, though I have a hunch no tornadoes will be in that forecast. We're going to live stream for you as we go into the evening. If we get into a tornado warning, you can follow me on social media. We'll carefully track it there, but our website has all the information you need to know, more than what you see on social media, pressafac.com/weather.